Hello, we will be showing you a demo of what the Lisa AI for ticketing system, how it works. First, we want to make sure that the category is there. Whatever category that you want to add. So let's say, for example, you want to add a category of over here. This is a typical SaaS form, right? So with Lisa Speech to Text, we have this one. So we can just say, this is a new category demo. And then we can say, this is the demo for the latest example of what we're going to be doing with Lisa AI. Right there. So everything's typed out. This is a new category demo for the title, and for the description, this is a demo for the latest example of what we're going to be doing with Lisa AI. There we go. Over here, everything's now we need to make sure that we click on the add button. So this is the final edit form, that you make sure that everything that you said is good to go, and then click on add. Okay, done. So over here, we go back to main. Right now we can create a ticket. Again, this is a typical form, right? SaaS form, all of the data entry fields are there. But most of the time, we need to add a little bit more information for the description or for the title itself. So for now, we're going to click on speech to text. And we're going to say, client wants a better experience on the product. Right? So spoke to the client, and the client was saying that there's a couple of things that they want to see as a feature or built in within the product before we do delivery. Right there. So this is on the ticketing form. So you have all of the information right there. Now imagine when you're typing it in. This is only a couple of seconds, right? So if we can save an employee 30 minutes to 1 hour per day typing, instead of typing this, speaking into the system, and then multiply with that by the number of employees that you have, that's where the value comes in. So final review and save over here. So this is the form again, right? We have all of the information here, right? And then we go to the category title. I think we just created this one. This is a new category demo. So that's the one that we created as well. This is the title under the item name. Client wants a better experience on the product. Customer, if you have a customer name for this particular ticket. And then here we go. All of the things that we mentioned earlier is right here. There we go. So it's an active ticket. So click on yes. You don't have additional pictures. No, we don't need that right now. Again, make sure that you click on the add button here. And then you go back to the main to make sure it's there. See, here it is.